Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting without the remote. First, make sure the Chromecast is powered and connected to TV. Open Google Home on your phone and sign in. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth so your phone can discover the cast device. Tap the plus icon, choose Set Up Device, and follow on-screen pairing prompts. If you see a code on the TV, confirm it matches the app. This verifies you're connecting to the right unit and prevents accidental pairing. After pairing, you'll establish control from the phone. Open Google Home, tap your Chromecast, and select Cast My Screen or use app-specific cast buttons inside YouTube or Netflix. You can navigate playback, change volume, and stop casting from the phone. Make sure your streaming apps are updated so the cast icon appears reliably. If you need keyboard input, use an app search box or the keyboard button in Google Home. This method gives precise control. To finish, confirm device settings in Google Home. Rename the Chromecast, check firmware updates, and set preferences. Test playback, then stop casting and reconnect to verify persistence. If you can't pair, enable guest mode or use the 4-digit cast code shown on the TV screen. If the Chromecast becomes unresponsive, unplug power for 10 seconds and plug it back in. This soft reboot often resolves hung states. If problems continue, restart your router and retry pairing to rule out network issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.